Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is February the 17th and I'm using my new Super Sniper trading system. System uses my standard 4 indicators down here at the bottom, and this one here is the multi-time frame awesome oscillator, and on the very top here I use 3 moving averages. Now I added about 4 months later, after I received the super signal indicator, that's this one here with the arrows, got it about 4 months later. So now it's an extra add-on that I am using. It makes any of my trading systems or any system whatsoever a much better trading system. Now the awesome does have alerts, which I happen to have it turned off, as I really only need the super signal alert, which is turned on, giving me buy and sell signals. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, at 6 a.m. New York time, I'm in front of the computer looking at all the different instruments and of course making a decision if I want to be buying or selling. Of course, I take a look at my daily trade plan. Now here's a screenshot of it that I took just after 6. A lot of selling in here, the ones that I like to trade, these futures and indices. And as you can see down at the bottom, I sold them. I highly recommend that you get your hands on some kind of a daily trade plan. This one runs in real time, minute by minute. It will update every 30 minutes, hour, 4 hours, and so on. It's preset for day trading, as I'm a day trader, in and out, 1 to 3 hours. So I want to get the signals on the quicker side as opposed to the much higher time frames. Apparently 95% of traders out there are failing, and one of the main reasons they're failing is because they don't even have any kind of a daily trade plan. It is a must-have if you want to succeed at trading. And then remember, you got to be demo trading until you are good in a demo account before you go live. Now there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You need a lot of chart time, you need a lot of demo trading, you need a lot of education. I provide the education. And you need a daily trade plan. Now you should be getting your hands on more education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Okay, now we can take a look at some of these trades. The reason why I love this super signal so much is by the time you get the signal, you're going to get pips, like at least 95% of the time. Now it doesn't mean you're going to get 100 or 200 pips or ticks. And so once you put in a trade and you analyze everything, then you have to have trade management and money management. Of course, you have to have that in order. This super signal indicator really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now this is great for traders who like to scalp the market, especially on the 5-minute time frame. So now we can take a look at these trades. First one at the top, Dow Jones. Now this one happens to pay $5 for each tick. So I took the trade at this cursor, went back to the goal line, it gave a push down. It could have easily broke this bottom and kept going down. But I closed it out with a small winner. Looks like 12. It's 12 ticks times the money, and the lot's paid out $600. And of course on this, I was just looking at the charts right now, this blue arrow, and that's producing looks like 157. So I really love this super signal indicator. As far as I'm concerned, it is a must-have. Moving on to the next trade, the pound dollar. because the dollar's on the right hand side, it pays $10 for each pip. Looking at the money, this should be 11. So there's the buy signal, and everything is, it was going down, wouldn't break the bottom, buy signal, and I waited just a little bit to confirm things were going up, and I pulled the trigger here. Could have made a lot more because it did a pullback and it continued going up to about 76 pips. As I mentioned, should be 11. There it is right there. 11 times the money times the lots paid out $1,100. Moving on to the next trade, gold. This one also, gold, it's this one here. Gold wanted to be selling, actually selling all the rest. Pays $10 for each tick. And now in real time, it could have easily, after all these candles, I figured it was going to give a bigger push down, possibly even breaking the bottom here. But hey, the market's very random, so you have to have trade management in order. So I close it out because things on this candle right here, this hammer, did not look good for keeping to go down. So I close it out. Now looking at the money, this should be 18.7. At one point I was up 42 approximately, but 18.7. There it is right there. I managed to get it right on. 18.7 times the money and the lots paid out $1,870. Russell's another one that pays $10 for each tick, and in real time it could have broke this bottom and this bottom and kept going down, but that's the way the market goes, up and down. So looking at the money, this should be 34. There it is right there, 34. You remove the last digit, so 34 times the money and the lots paid out $3,400. Moving on to the next trade, crude oil. This one pays $10. Now, as you can clearly see, this is a much better looking chart, and this is what I'm looking for. It does, as I scanned the instruments, this is what I'm kind of looking for. I call it a great way to trade, and I teach exactly what to look for in the training videos. Took the trade at this point, looking at the money, since it pays $10. Each tick should be 43. So from there to there should be 43. And there it is right there. So 43 ticks ended up paying out $4,300. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the S&P 500. This one pays $5 for each tick. There's the arrow directly from the daily trade plan. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in. And this is another one that could have kept going down, but didn't do that. But I took the money, divided by 5. The calculator says it's 112. So let's see, 112. There it is right there, 112.25. But anyhow, it's 112 times the money times the lots paid out $5,625. Moving right along to the next trade, the NASDAQ. Now this NASDAQ pays $20 for each tick. I'm going to get a calculator out to figure out exactly what it should be. So the calculator states that it should be 64.6. Looks like I got out almost a perfect spot because it just doesn't want to go anymore. Anyhow, what did I say? 64.4 or 0.6 actually. Anyhow, we're not going to worry about the the points. So it's 64. You remove the last 2 digits. So 64 times 20, and then the lots paid out $12,920. So another great day of trading using my Super Sniper I recommend if your trading is not doing so well, you got to get a good system. You got to get your hands on some kind of a daily trade plan. I recommend minimum both of those. So anyhow, I added up all the pips and the ticks, and I knew it was going to be over 200. Total came to 294, and all of those pips and ticks ended up paying out $29,815. And if you have any questions, quite simple. All you got to do is look right below this video, and you'll see in the description my contact information. You can either call me directly. Now, if you live too far, just send me an email. Now, I really do prefer Skype, and I left a link down there. All you got to do is click on the link. We'll have a Skype connection, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. I'll answer your questions, give you a few tips and tricks. If nothing else, you'll learn some new things. And keep in mind, I do all of that with no obligation to you. Now, also in the description below, you'll see 4 different packages. Each package costs $250. I have a special. If you buy any 2, I'll give you one of the other 2 for free. Now, I highly recommend you getting the daily trade plan. I recommend you getting this super signal indicator. This comes in a different package. It comes in the Easy Trader system with the super signal indicator. So I received it after, so it's an after package that I put together. And so if you have any questions about the 4 different packages, quite simple, just get in contact with me. So it looks like it's time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.